Namaste children. Today we are going to see a lesson from supplementary. Already we have seen one lesson and this is the second lesson, The Cock and the Anthem, and it is written by O. Henry. It is a very interesting story. The main character of the story is Soapy. He is a Soapy. Soapy is a young man. He is a jobless person, a homeless person. Actually, Soapy was in the Blackwell Island in a prison for many years. Now, he is released from the prison and from there he came to Madison Square. In Madison Square is the name of a place. In Madison Square, Soapy was sitting in a park bench and he was just thinking about his past and future. Now, the season is very cold and now it is winter. Soapy can feel that cool winter, and above all this, Soapy don't have money to spend and a house to stay. Soapy is thinking how he is going to lead his life. His both the pockets are empty. And finally, Soapy thought he can do something against the law, and out of that he can earn some money, or otherwise if he do something against the law, he will be caught by the cop again. Cop means, police. He will be caught by the police again, and again he will be thrown into the prison. Soapy was very happy to live in the prison. You know what is the reason behind that? He can stay there. He has a good bed there and a nice food. He need not spend money at all. He need not earn money. He can have a good sleep. He can have a good food. So, Soapy want to go to the Blackwell Island prison again. So, Soapy planned to do some crimes over here in the Madison Square. So, Soapy started to plan to do something against the law. From the park, Soapy started to walk. While he was walking in the Broadway Road, he came very close to a restaurant. It was a hi-fi restaurant. He was able to see many rich people over there, richly dressed people. So, Soapy thought he can get into the restaurant and he can have a very good meal, and finally after having the meal, he can say that he is not having money in his pocket. So what will happen? They will call the cop and the cop will arrest him, and again he can go to the prison. That was Soapy's plan. So, Soapy planned to get into the restaurant. But before getting into the restaurant, the waiter came out of the hotel and he said, on seeing Soapy's dress was not in a good condition because all his pants were torn and there are so many clutches here and there, and on seeing his appearance, the waiter was not willing Soapy to let inside the restaurant. So from there, he pushed him out. Soapy's first plan was failed. Again, Soapy started to walk. When he reached a shop, he saw a glass window in front of the shop. Soapy thought of an idea. He took one stone and just banged the door fast. What happened if you throw a big stone over the glass at the glass, it will break into pieces, isn't it? So soon after doing this, on hearing the sound, a cop appeared there, and he asked, who is the culprit did this? Who broke the glass? And Soapy said, here I am. I broke the glass. The cop started laughing because he know very well if anybody did this crime will not stand there. At once he will start running. But Soapy was standing there and explaining the cop all the mistakes he has done. So the cop was not ready to believe Soapy. And suddenly cop can see somebody was running on the road, and he thought that person might have broken the glasses, and the cop started running behind that person. Again Soapy failed in his attempt. Soapy started walking again, and he came to a small hotel. It was not a rich hotel. A normal people was getting into the hotel. Then Soapy thought, let me have a fine dinner here, and after having the meal, I can say my pockets are empty, you can call the cop. Thinking that, Soapy went inside the hotel and had a very good meal over there. After having the meal, when the waiters came to him and gave the bill, Soapy said that he don't have money and he is ready to go to the prison. Soapy told the waiters to call the cop, but the waiters said, we are not willing to call the cop, and at once you have to leave the hotel. They pushed Soapy outside the hotel. Again Soapy has failed in his attempt. Soapy started walking again. While he was walking on the road, he saw a lady walking towards him. Soapy thought, if I misbehave with the lady, at once the cop will arrest him and he may be put in the prison. Thinking that, Soapy gave one bang on the lady's face. The lady was shocked and she started screaming. Soon there came a cop, and the cop investigated to the lady what had happened. But the lady was not ready to say the fact. She told the cop that Soapy has promised her that he will buy a bottle of beer for her, and because of that they were quarreling there, because the lady want Soapy to buy a beer and give it to her. But the cop just smiled and he just darted from there. Soapy again failed in his attempt. Again he started walking on the road. Then Soapy saw a cinema theater, and in front of the theater he saw many college students playing over there. They were jumping, dancing, singing and yelling over there. Then Soapy thought he can enact as a drunkard and he can yell over there. And if he create a mess over there, soon he can see, if he may create a mess over there, soon he can see the cop coming there and